How to use Binance margin trading easy tutorial for beginners. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on how to start Binance margin trading. So let's get started. First, what you guys need to do is you will go to binance.com and this is where you will get. Binance is world's leading crypto platform that allows you to buy, sell and trade crypto. Today, I'll show you how to do margin trading with Binance where you will be able to increase your profit with leverage. Let's get into it. First of all, once you get to Binance.com and if you do not have an account, go ahead and create an account with your email address or your phone number. After the initial sign up or sign into your Binance.com, this is where you will get. You can see this is my dashboard and I'll show you how to use margin trading. We have other options on Binance as well. We have buy crypto with a lot of different options. We have markets, trade, derivatives, earn, finance, and even an NFT marketplace. Go to the trade option and in trade we have margin. So this is where we need to go. It will take us right here. You can see this is our trading window right here on Binance.com. So as a complete beginner, you will have no idea what's happening here. Let me give you a tour around. First of all, this is where what the pair that you have selected, and you can see we have like 3x right here because it's a margin trading. So this is the pair that you have selected and you can switch the pair anytime you want to. You can like select any other pair from here and you can select your main coin. First I have selected BTC and then I went with BTC and USDT. So you can select your pair from here, or you can also go to the market on Binance.com and select the pair or the coin that you want to go for. Once you have selected it, then this is where you will get, of course, we have the live price, and keep in mind the pricing I am showing you, it's at the time of making this video. So this is the live price, 24-hour change, 24-hour high, 24-hour low, 24-hour volume BTC, 24-hour volume BTC. Then we have a few of the other options here. This is going to be the order book that gives us the price, amount and total here. Then we have our chart. This is our market where I will be able to see the market trades and all of the different coins, and I will also be able to see their pricing and the change. In our chart right here, you will be able to see, you select the time right here. We can also select if you want to go with auto or log from here. Then we have, if you understand how to read a chart, you can see we have all of these different scales here. We have like, different text and scales to kind of like use our different tools on our chart. Here I will be able to see the, again, 24-hour high, 24-hour low, the prices, the change, volume, everything. It shows in the form of a graph. Then you have to scroll down a little bit. Like when you scroll down, this is where you will get, and you can see this is where we actually work. This is where we actually order our coin and we do our trading. So let me show you how you will be doing the margin trading. Once you have selected a coin and you have read the chart, you know everything. What is the next step? How to use the margin trading? Before we continue, I just want to clarify that this video is not a financial advice and I'm not a financial advisor. Trading in crypto, of course, involves a high degree of risk and whether you afford to lose money or not. So make sure that you truly understand everything, you know how to read the charts, you know what crypto trading is, then you can get started. This is actually a tutorial for you guys about Binance.com and how we can use different tools and options given on this platform. That being said, let's continue. So on Binance.com, you can see we have spot. So we're not doing spot, we went with the margin where we have cross 3x, of course, and then you can also go with isolated 10x, which is like a very hot option nowadays for trading. We have spot grid as well. This is like entirely different thing where we can also create our Binance spots. There are actually already videos on the channel how to do the spot trading on Binance, how to use the bots on Binance. So this is about margin trading. I'm going to select cross from here and then we have to select limit, market or stop limit. We're going to go with limit. Then we have to select normal, borrow or repay. So with margin trading, because it involves the leverages and with leverages, the risk is going to be higher too. So you can see we have normal, borrow and repay. This is going to be the available balance, your balance that you have. I'm going to select normal from here, and then we have to enter the price in USDT. Why I am adding the price in USDT? Well, because my pair is BTC and USDT, and the pair that you will select, of course, you will pay in that currency. Keep that in mind. So I'm going to scroll down again. For me, it's USDT and BTC. So I'm going to enter the price here. What they're asking me, what they're suggesting is like 20,000 USDT. And then we have the amount here for BTC. Let's say I'm going with 1. I go with 2. Whatever amount you want to go for. It also depends on the balance that you have. Then you have to enter a total, and you will click on buy BTC. Like whatever coin you have, you will click on it. Again, I'm not suggesting any of the coins. I'm not giving you any advice to trade or to invest in anything. Click on buy, this green option. Just for the purpose of the video, I'm not gonna go along with the option, and you will just enter all of the information, the parameters. It's really easy. Click on buy. If you want to switch to borrow, you will just click on borrow, and this is margin by BTC. You enter your price, amount, total, and then you will be able to margin by BTC. This is going to be borrowing. If you want to go with repay, again, we have to enter the price, amount. We can also select the percentage from here. If you want to go with 27%, 25%, 20%, 3%, you can select, enter the total, and buy BTC. So we also have market. Let's say I want to go with market. So I'm just going to switch to market right here. And then we just have to enter our USDT amount. We don't need to enter our BTC then. And then we also have the stop limit. What's happening here? This is for the sell. Again, we have normal, available balance. And for this one, we will be entering the amount again. Enter the price, amount, select the percentage, enter the total, click on sell BTC. You can switch to the borrow option, and it will be margin sell BTC. Enter the price, amount, percentage, total, and you will be able to borrow. Then we have repay. With repay, we have price, amount, percentage, total, and sell BTC. So this is what the margin trading is going to be. It's actually really easy to use. Binance.com. Binance does not complicate things for us at all, and it's a very easy platform to use. So you can again select any coin from here. Let's go with maybe BNB on Binance, and if I go with maybe BNB, so it will completely change the window for me. And now we have BNB. It will show me the graph according to that, of course, and I will be able to check the live price. This is the live price. We have 24-hour change, 24-hour high, 24-hour low, and then we have 24-hour volume, everything given. So again, you will just scroll down and enter all the parameters to buy AY or to sell AY with Binance. Any crypto coin that you want to buy, just enter the information right here with the margin trading option on Binance. How to access it? Just go to the trading option and click on margin. You also require an account at Binance, so make sure to verify your account if you want to avail all of the trading options with Binance.com. Once you do, you will be able to actually trade in crypto really easily using world's leading crypto platform known as Binance.com. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.